Hello, so for today's video we're going to make this gorgeous simple little heart, and we can turn it into a bunting as well if you want to make several, so it looks something like this. So the first thing you need to do is make 4 chain and then join them with a slip stitch to form a circle. I'm presuming some kind of just above beginners for this, so hopefully you can join along. So I've got the pattern here that I've written. It is on my Etsy shop and the kit is on there as well if you want to have a go, or you can just get your own yarn and crochet along and practice. So we've got our 4 chain and slip stitch to form a circle. The first round is 1 chain, and then into the circle you're going to work 3 half double crochets. Now I am working in American terms today, which I know it's a bit of a shock to me as well. So a half double crochet is a half treble in UK. So we're going to go in and through 2 and through the extra one. So it's through 3, sorry. So round and in we go, through and through 3. Now you're going to do a block of 3 of these. So round and that's your first block. And then we're going to do 2 chain. Let's just move that out of the way so it doesn't confuse what you're seeing. And then we're going to do another block of 3 half double crochets or half trebles. As you can tell from my accent, I am in the UK. And then 2 chain. So I'm going to repeat that twice more. So in 3 half double crochets, 1, 2 and 3, 2 chain, and then we just need another block of 3 double crochets and 2 chain. And then 2 chain, and you will be able to join then to this first stitch. Now normally we would turn a piece of work at this stage, but we're not turning, we're just joining. So we've got kind of a little mini square really. So the second round, into the middle half double crochet here, we are going to work 1 double crochet, which if you're working in UK terms, it's a treble. So in there we go 1 double crochet or treble. And then into the middle, same stitch, we're going to do 5 half double trebles. So a half double treble, round twice and in. If you find it easier working from written instructions, you can find this pattern on my Etsy shop. Otherwise I hope you can crochet along through 2 and then through 3. So we'll do that again, round twice, in we go, through 2, through 3, and we're going to do 5 of those into this same stitch. That's 3. And then into that same stitch, we're going to do a double crochet, which is American style, or a treble if you're in the UK. So that sets the pattern for the next piece of the heart. Can you see how the heart's forming? So then to do this dip here, you go into this next space here and just do a slip stitch. That brings your work right back down. And then into the middle of the block below, you're going to do the same thing again. So a double crochet, which is a treble, and then 5 half double trebles, that's 2, that's 4, and that's 5, and then a double crochet into there, and then a slip stitch into this gap here. And then that is our central part done. So we are going to now fasten that off. And then we're going to join with the red. Obviously, if you have done it red, white, you're going to join with the other colour. So third round and final round with the right side facing. So we still haven't turned. I'm going to put my slip knot on. So you're going to join with your red into the slip stitch in the top middle of the heart. So here, let me zoom in for this last section. Okay, and then we're going to do a single crochet in the next stitch. So that's a double crochet if you're in the UK. Single crochet in there, and then 2 single crochets in each of the next 4 stitches. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 1 single crochet in each stitch to the bottom tip of the heart. So this is just going to make it really neat around this edge. So 1 single crochet all the way around. Right, down to the tip of the heart. Now in the tip of the heart, you're going to do, I can just squeeze another one in there, look. In the tip of the heart, just to give it its bottom pointy edge, you're going to do a single crochet, and then a double crochet, and then a single crochet, and that just gives you that tip at the bottom. So I've got half a heart here. And then 1 single crochet into each stitch up to the last 5 stitches. So if I look back at mine, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to single crochet up to this one here. So work out up to your last 5 stitches. So if you've got this far, you can find this kit on my Etsy shop or my website. There's a link in the description, or you could just buy the pattern if you want, if you'd rather have the written format. Struggling a bit around this side. And you can find me on Instagram, the Crochet Web. And I really, really would love it if you would subscribe. That would be fabulous. So I'm on the 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've not listened to my own instructions. Right, when you get to the last 5, you need to do 2 single crochets into these ones to do that top of the heart. And then I love crochet cotton, but I mean, this is really, really good quality, but it still likes to split. Now I'm just gonna finish off by going into that top with a slip stitch. And there you have a gorgeous little heart. And if you make enough of those, you can put them together as a bunting. Love them. Thank you for watching. Would really appreciate you subscribing. Catch you on the next one. Bye.